Hi, today is 11th of June 2020. So if you're watching this and you're invested in the stock market, you may not be feeling so good today. Stocks are down quite a lot. I think that's mainly due to the Federal Reserve's announcement last night. Uh, what they basically said was, you know, let's hold off a bit. Things aren't going to go back to normal very quickly economically. It's going to take a while. And obviously, the stock market doesn't really like that because it's been on a major surge. Last week airline stocks went up 80%, and now they're back down again, and they're back to the prices that everyone paid last week. So if you were unlucky to buy at the top, you lost a lot of the value of that. But what I would say is, don't panic. Just remain calm and don't get emotional. Just trust that things will eventually recover. The worst thing you can do is sell and lose the money. The only times I've ever sold when I lost the money was because I saw another stock was going on a major rally, and actually that was with the airlines actually last week, and I just knew that if I put my money into another stock which was going up a lot, I'd actually be able to recover what I'd lost, and I did, and then some. So that's the only time that I've ever sold my stocks, but at a loss. But markets go up and down, and you just have to sort of stick with it, and things will recover. At the moment, I'm in Beyond Meat. I did sell them at a profit, but then I thought, this is the problem with short selling. You buy in, you sell out, you buy back in again, and I thought, well, they're probably gonna do all right today, and today they've just gone down and down and down, and I'm majorly in the red. But don't worry about it. Overall, I've done pretty well the last 3 months, and overall you will do as well if you hold, especially if you buy in a good company like Beyond Meat. I mean, they're creating a product for the future. It's exciting, it's new, it's sexy. It's like they're a growing market. Today they announced they're opening a factory up in Holland, I think. And then earlier this week, when they had a major rally and went up 20%, they announced that they were selling in China. So there's lots of announcements coming out all the time about everything they're doing, and I'm sure over a long term, their stock price will recover, and they'll do even better as a business. So I think it's always best to invest in companies that aren't so much of a risk long term. So that if it goes down a bit for a while, it's going to go back up. And also, one thing I also wouldn't worry about, and I wouldn't worry about selling your shares, is because everyone is losing today. Even the best companies, the most profitable ones, have gone down in value. Like, everyone's down about 5 or 10%, and you only really need to worry when you're the only stock that's going down and everyone else is going up or something. That's when it's slightly concerning. But if there's a general trend in some economic news that's affecting everything, then that it's not your stock, and you just need to sort of not look at it, do something else, do some work. I should do some work. I spend way too much time looking at stock markets, and I wish I could be doing something more nourishing for my brain and just looking at a stock chart. Just leave it, and I'm sure you'll do all right. So that's my tip for you today.